Hello, everyone. Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. I want to thank you all so very much for clicking onto this here video. Okay? My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today with another how to make video. All right, y'all. So, if you have been following me for a very long time, I did a video on the Dollar Tree's best kept secret. And I don't know, some of y'all may be new, but I did a video and it was called The Dollar Tree Best Kept Secret. And it was about using these, I'm getting ready to show you, I'm just putting some lotion on my hands. Using these, this is tape, I don't know, pretty much it's like a cardboard, but it's really, really hard. After you use the tape, I know a lot of us get tape from Walmart, from the Dollar Tree. Let me slow down. A lot of us get tape from the Dollar Tree, and this can be used as a bracelet. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be painting this. Now, I have already painted the inside and the outside, and I have also given it a coat of Mod Podge, okay? So I did just a coat on the outside of Mod Podge, but I did paint the in and the outside. So I'm going to show you the colors that I'm going to be using. This is going to be antique copper, which is that. I'm going to be using King's Gold. I'm also going to be using pure gold. I'm going to be using limeade and bright yellow. So basically all I'm going to be doing with this will just require me to paint. This is going to be a bracelet, and I'm going to be painting it. So all you're going to really need is your paints, one of these, and your paint brushes, whatever paint brushes you have. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, now this is always the hardest for me, to start off with what color I want. I think I'm going to go with this green. I think I'm going to do the limeade first. So I'm just going to go in and just do this. Just like that. I'm going to leave some spaces in between. Hope you all can see what I'm doing. Okay. All right. Oh, I put my hand right on it. Okay. All right, so I got that part pretty much done. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go to the other side and pretty much do the same exact thing. that I did to the first side. Okay. All right, so I did that pretty much around my whole bracelet. Okay, y'all, so I did that around my whole bracelet. As you can see, now I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna start adding some other colors. I'm adding the yellow. Okay. Hope you all can see what I am doing. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these in. I'm going to come back and show you all the end result. Hey, everyone, so this is what my piece is starting to look like. And like I said, I did that around the whole piece. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add another color. And this time I'm going to go with the King's Gold. And all I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing. But just spacing it like this. Okay. And once again, I am going to do this whole thing, and then I'm going to come back with the end result so you all can see how it turned out. So I will be back. Here it is. This is all the way through, turning it so that you all can see. Now, At first I said I was going to use 1, 2, 5 colors, but basically I've only used 3 of the colors. So I'm going to use one more color, and that's going to be this one. I am not going to use that gold. I'm going to use this antique copper. And let's just see. And the reason why the video isn't really long, y'all, is because this is you have to take your time with this, doing this, because you don't want to mess it up. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to go all the way around and put this in. And then I am going to come back. All right, so y'all can see so far pretty much what I have. So I'm going to do that, and then I will be back. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And I want to go in and clean up a couple of things, like this right here. Some of the ones where the paint didn't really, I just want to go in and clean those up. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to go in and just do like that to add like another coat. Just lightly. And then what I'll do is, once it completely dries, I will go in with some Mod Podge and give it a coat of Mod Podge, and I'll come back so that you all can see me do that. Okay, and just going back in to give it like a second coat. And not all of them are like that, but some of them are like that. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do is let this dry, and I'll come back and let y'all see. I will put the Mod Podge on so you all can see the end result. I was thinking about doing something else, but I think I like this like this. I'm not going to change the look. Now I still may, once it dries, I may come back and do something else, but for right now I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna let it dry, come back, put some Mod Podge on it, and then we'll just take it from there. And I'm not really worried about it getting on this right here because it's an easy fix. So we'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. So I'm going to show you pretty much what I have so far. Now, this is the bracelet. Now, I was telling y'all that I wanted to go in and I wanted to fill it in a little bit more, and that's pretty much exactly what I did. But I also, and I'm going to tell you, remember I was talking about the paint that had gotten on this while I was painting it? All I did was where is it? Sharpie, y'all. This is the best. It's a permanent marker, and you can use this on any project, okay? And all I did was go down to the base and just paint it. And just took my Sharpie and went right over top of it. And that really, really makes a difference. It just makes it gives it a real polish, like a polished look. Now, I was thinking about adding one more color. I don't know if I should, or if I should just leave this like it is before I put the Mod Podge on it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and add one more color. I really like, I shouldn't add another color. I love how this came out. Like, I absolutely love the choices of the colors that I put on this. This is just really nice, y'all. It's really, really nice. I think I did. This is nice, and I can try it on. And this is how it's gonna look. Look at this. I'm not gonna add another color. Nope, I'm not adding another color. I'm gonna put on my Mod Podge, y'all. I'm gonna Mod Podge this up. I was thinking about adding up. I'm not adding another color. That is fine, just the way it is. I don't need to add anything else to it. I was thinking about doing something else to this, but I'm deciding against it because of how it looks on my arm. I don't have to add anything else. The paint, everything, the design itself says it all. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add another coat of Mod Podge and let it finish drying. And then once it dries, I'm going to come back to show you all the end results. Okay, y'all. So everything has finally dried. This is our end result for this here bracelet. And I'm going to try it on. And this is how it looks. And this is not going to be a bracelet that I sell by itself. I'm going to probably be making some other things to go along with it. But this is the finished project. Okay. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and share. And make you plenty. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.